Thank you for coming on this platform. Good morning. Simon Ekpa seems to be rejoicing over Ifeanyiuba and but these ones we are talking today, are they not actually Biafrans? What is your take on that?
You mean Ifeanyiuba and Iwanyanwu, are they not Biafrans? Actually, thank you for having me. They are all Biafrans, but remember, Lucifer was an angel, even not ordinary angel, archangel for that matter. He was a covering cherub. That's why they call him the morning star. Very beautiful. God made him almost perfect. He covers the altar of God. All the whole worship go where he was, because as he was covering the altar of God, all angels will look upon that side where he is to glorify God. You understand? He shines. So, was he not part of the angelic bodies? Was he not part of members of the heavenly angels? Then he fell because he disobeyed God. You understand? But he was part of them before. Now, where I'm going to is this. Ifeanyiuba and Iwanyanwu, they were Biafrans anyway. They are no more there. Then, they derailed by not supporting the cause of Biafra. You understand? They are working against the interest of Biafrans. You see it, just like what this man did that betrayed Jesus. Judas. Remember, Judas is one of the disciples. Is it not true? He's one of the apostles. Now, why not ask, why did Jesus pray for Peter? Because Peter, he knew Peter would betray him. Why did Jesus pray for him? So that he will not be cast out of them. He will not die. When about Judas, he didn't pray for Judas. Because he knew something about Judas. Judas loved money. Judas has been working against the interest of Jesus, interest of the apostles. You understand what I'm saying? He knew that Judas is a very bad, dangerous, he's a lover of money. He's a treasurer. He used to pinch out of their money. So, where I'm going to is this. Those guys have been working with Nigerian government, Nigerian terrorist government, against Biafrans, against the interest of the actualization of Biafra. You understand? See their statements. See how they are treating Igbos all over Nigeria. See the last election. See what happened. They are not saying it as it is. The way it's supposed to be said. They are not saying it like that. Okay, see this what is going on now. They rigged the election, 2023 election. They brought it. Tinubu said, I helped you during Jonathan time. It's my turn. It's my turn. They gave it to him. Now, they devalued Nigerian naira. They messed the economy up. Fuel from 185 to 600 and 700 naira per liter. Everything is messed up. Nigeria is in not depression, not in recession, more than depression. The economy is completely messed up. Now, Nigerians say they want to protest against bad governance. Even the northern guys, the northern elites are the people behind it. Do you know what the Yorubas are saying? They are saying that it is Igbos. It is Igbos. Can you imagine this? Now, can you tell me how many Igbo leaders are talking about what these Yorubas are saying? Instead of Igbos to do meeting, even remove their clothes, show their muscle, shout, lay curse upon the Yoruba leaders. What will happen? Are you people insane? Are you mad? Are you people crazy? You looted, you did a lot wrong. Rigged the election, kill people, scatter people property. Tinubu says his turn, he collected. He messed the economy up, you are blaming Igbos. So, Igbos are now the scapegoat. Anything they do, they will say Igbos. Instead of these people to vibrate and lay curse upon. You remember what Isaiah, this man did, Elijah. Elijah vibrated when the king was stupid. You understand? He prophesied the death of the king.
Is the Yorubas afraid of the North?
Why not these people say something against the Yorubas? No, they know what they are doing. You know, right from the beginning, Yorubas are afraid of Igbos and not. You understand? And they started from the beginning to connive with the Northerners against Igbos. So they know that they can continue doing like that. Now, they know that now the Hausas are not happy with the kind of governance this guy is bringing. There is too much of hardship and their interest is not being protected, especially Dangote issue. And you know who is Dangote? Dangote is not Dangote. He's not the owner of his establishments. He's not the owner.
He give food. He could build a refinery for the World Republic.
No.
Was he not deceived?
He's a gang of the leaders. The rulers have been in charge of this nation. They are the owners of that conglomerate, that Dangote you are seeing. Dangote is not a billionaire. He's not the owner of those things. So when they built that thing, and majority of them are the northern guys, they are the owners of this Dangote. So when this Tinubu is working against this Dangote interest, the northerners came up. Remember, Tinubu is talking about livestock ministry. So is it not in the is it not the interest of North? They're not. Fulani would have been happy. Why they're angry is because of Dangote issue. Dangote is not the owner of Dangote. It's Buhari, Babangida, Sultan, all the kings. All of them. Obasanjo has more share. It is not part of them. The northern guys are the owner of Dangote. Now, Tinubu is working against Dangote, saying you go away from our land, and he has interest in oil industry. You understand? That's why they not say you will push you out. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Now, instead of to follow the North, they are now trying to turn against Igbos. What the Yorubas are saying that is that they are not going to fight North. That North can help join them. Instead of this matter, let them fight Easterners. Let them fight Easterners and then Islamize Nigeria. That is that game they are playing. Instead of Igbo leaders to say, oh yeah, let us bring blood. You understand? They kept quiet. So, you know, this death of these guys, it has a very powerful significance and message. You understand? It passed a very big message to the Igbo leaders and Nigeria generally. You understand? It passed a very big, crucial message to them. They understand what is going on. God hand is here. He's fighting against Nigeria. Whatever that is going to come out of this crisis, this protest, is going to be disastrous for Nigeria. The Biafrans will rejoice. Watch. You understand?